Welcome to Richie's Pilot Tips. Talking about flight bags and essentials for life. We've already had a look at my larger survival kit. What I want to show you next is the kind of things we can keep in a bag this small, but we used to lose everything else if you could keep yourself going. Let's have a look what's in there. So here's the contents of my little bag. Now, remember in the CARS 602.61, it says that no pilot may take to the air without means to provide for the entire crew clean drinking water, ability to make a fire, signaling, and a shelter. Okay, and we can do all of that with the stuff in here and a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of training. Obviously over here, first things first aid kit, very simple, band-aids, some medications, and bandages. Also this stuff is iodine. You can purify water with this. You can also disinfect any wounds you might get with this stuff. Right in the front here, we got a little waterproof container that I keep 2 signal flares in, and this is the launcher for the flares. Practice with it before you need it. Matches in a waterproof container. These containers also have a little ferro rod on the bottom you can make sparks with. Water container. Obviously this is only for clean water. We must treat all water as contaminated. If we're ever out in the bush, that's what this is for. We make the fire, we boil the water, and then we can pour it into our water container. So very, very simple few items here, covering all your bases.